Okay, so the next week I have the workshop. Next week we are going to start the Java, okay? Java programming. And again, the workshop will go the same 5 hours as we do. And the 23rd is the office inauguration. We're expecting all of you will join Zoom, and the people in Michigan join in person. I can tell you our office is very nice. I am putting good amount of effort to make the office the high standard, so that whoever comes here, they know how the environment works. Okay, so I'm expecting you guys, who is in Michigan, come in person. Is mandatory, please. And then what else? This is it. And of course, 23rd there is no workshop. It's a celebration, right? And the 30 we'll have the second, the Java. Okay, and then of course next week the cloud ops will be joining, and the 30 cloud ops will be joining. Make sure that, and then actually we can do the probably let's do the middle of the May, one more sync up. Good, means this type of session, but we'll doing it faster that time. That's our plan. And then plus our team, we are sending you the what is called the recommendation or your feedback. I send you the text. I'm expecting you guys respond to this message. Is very important, because our partners, they're asking, our partners in the state, they're asking for the recommendation that how we are doing, and it's very independent. Again, if you get angry with me, I have no problem, because you got angry because you did not like me. I have zero problem. But as long as you are not giving the personal feedback, means personally you are attacking, you're good. You can, as you guys said, we should do every month. Good. This is the feedback. So this kind of feedback the partner is expecting, because these are important, because we also get evaluated by the partners, by the state. Like the state will be providing them all documentation, how we are doing, what kind of contents we provide. They do all of this. So just to make sure you know this, we have also checks and balance. We have also the authority on top of us. Authority means they also ensure that you guys are taken care of well. You guys are getting the good contents. You guys are getting the time. We are providing what you need, right? So please make sure the Hasib and our team will be sending in the recommendation, the whatever is called. Let me send you this recommendation. 1 second. 1 second. Let's go see. Let's go see. What is his name? Second, I'm sending you now. Okay, and Sharmin has done, and what is the name? Sami has done, Veronica has done, Sukanta has done, and the Aisha Javed has done, and not many other people has not done yet, because it's important. Again, if you do not like something, absolutely you can say it. And if you want to see something different, you need to say it, because other people, the people who will be joining, and we need to improve. If we are lack somewhere, right, we need to improve those areas. And sometimes we do not see everything from the eyes, black and white eyes. Other people can see better. So let me see what happened. Huh? Okay, 1 second. There is a bug. Okay. Okay, got it. Huh. Let's see. There you go. So let's. This is the one I'm sending to February. There. So this is actually the way it works. Let's follow up. Okay. I did one person to follow up. All members. So this is very important. Let me fix it. And if you guys don't know how to provide the feedback, read how other people provided the feedback. You can do the Google or you can do the Facebook. Either way is working. And this will be actually sent to the to our partner. Of course, they read as well, and they actually check. So let me put everything nicely. This is very important. Again, we will never grow until you tell us. Like the way I tell you guys what area to improve, we do the same thing. We have been also evaluated by the partners as well and by the state. That's exactly how this kind of things work. Okay. Remember? Okay. And let's go see. As responsibility, quality, purpose. If it is your action item for this week, I would appreciate your feedback. We can do better if you tell us. Okay, so where is the Facebook one? Okay. So please, this is the week you guys have to get it done if you have not done yet. If you don't know how to write it, I can help you, or you can go in my LinkedIn, you will see how other people provided me recommendation. And you guys will be needed as well as the time goes by, because the more recommendation you get is good for you. The area you need to improve, other people you need to know so that you can improve. And the area someone is doing great, you need to tell them, hey, you are doing good in this area, keep up the good work. Some area you need to improve, someone need to tell you which area you need to improve. So please do it. It is important because we have to provide all the information. Not that we do not need to provide. They already review all the website and the social media, and they actually make it do our performance review as well. That's my request. And then please make sure do it properly. Do get it done. What happened here? Oh, look at this. Okay. Okay. Let's go see. Oh, here. Oh, here's the Facebook. Oh, it's broken here. There's a bug. Okay. And then there is like a here. Okay, good. Good. So please, this is your action item this week. You have to get it done.